How to find wallet address on Coinbase. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now Coinbase has different versions. For example, you have your iOS device right here, you have the Android version, the web, and the Chrome extension. In this video, we are going to be demonstrating on the Chrome extension, but it can also work for both of the mobile devices. Now first things first, you want to open up your Coinbase application or the Coinbase extension. From here, it will then present you with this page right here where you have to log in your account. And right after logging in your account, you will then be prompted to this page right here. It is the same for the mobile versions. Once inside, we then have the copy button right here. You can just go ahead and click on it. And inside we have the wallet address for Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin. You can just go ahead and click on copy and it will copy the address to our clipboard. You can also go ahead and click on your preferred wallet to get the preferred address from. If this video was being helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.